keep the PV intact. He's open for concessions from other departments, including the teachers union.